Okay, here I am. I'm finished with the 99 Honda FourTrax 300. I bought this about 6 weeks ago or so. It was pretty complete, although it was, used. And, if you've watched any of the videos, I went through the whole entire thing, from front to back, from front suspension, upper and lower ball joints, wheel bearings, brake cylinders, brake pads, steering rods, inner and outer tie rods. I changed the fluid in the front differential. I put a 2-inch lift kit on it. I've got 25 by 8 by 12s in the front, 25 by 10 by 12s in the back. Changed all the fluids, all the oils, and all of the gear cases in the engine. Rebuilt the rear brake assembly completely. Cleaned up the exhaust. Wrapped it with this mossy oak vinyl wrap. I think it looks awesome. Couldn't do anything with the green. I mean, I ran a little short of the wrap. I might have to buy another little strip to finish the tank. But the thing came out awesome. Put LED lights bulbs in it. It's good to go. I replaced quite a few things like the shifters, the lever, the reverse lever with the new button on it. New little control panel here with all nice colors. Let's see, it starts right up too. Watch this. Nice idle, runs good, doesn't bog, goes full throttle without dying or anything. So there it is, came out nice, got a new LED bulb in the back as well. And now it's time to take it out for a ride and see how it goes. But I think it's got a good looking stance, looks great, I'm psyched. So I hope you enjoyed that series of videos. If so, subscribe. And until next time, thanks for watching.